Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Now, in this video, we are going to learn by using Tinkercad software, we are going to draw one parallel circuit. See, already in previous video, we have learned what is circuits and the types of circuits, that is series circuit and parallel circuits. And also we learned how to draw series circuits in the previous video. Now, by using this video, we are going to learn how to draw a parallel circuit. See, parallel circuit is nothing but the individual components are going to be connected. That means each and every devices will be a individual connections. So, if any one device is not working in the parallel circuit, the entire circuit is not going to be work in the series. But here in the parallel, whatever the particular component or device not working, only that particular device is not going to work, and rest of the components is going to be work as usual. Now we will launch Tinkercad software here. Launch Google Chrome, then on address bar type tinkercad.com. So here you can see www.tinkercad.com. I enter, then click on search. Okay, as soon the interface opens, the Tinkercad on the right corner, click on, as we discussed already, we are going to select create, click on create, under create circuits. See here there is a circuit option. Click on circuits. As soon as we click onto the circuit interface is going to be open. Now here we are going to select some of the components to draw parallel circuit. See, what are the components we need to draw a parallel circuit? First we need LED. LED is nothing but light emission diode. 4 LEDs we need. Then we need resistors. We need resistors 4. Then we need 3-volt battery, that is kind battery. 3-volt kind battery 1. Then we need one multimeter. See, multimeter to see the readings here. See, by using these components, we are going to draw a parallel circuit by using Tinkercad software. Okay, let us start. First, we are going to choose the components. As we discussed here, we need 4 LEDs on the components. On the components section, select the components whatever we need. Here I need the components LED. See, I need 4 LEDs. Just select and drag and drop onto the working area. See, just select and drag and drop onto the particular section where we are going to draw the circuit. Okay, now I have selected 4 LEDs. See, the LED will be having 2 different connections, that is, one is cathode and anode. The cathode is the straight wire and the anode is bent wire. Okay, after choosing the LED, now the second component is resistor. See, in the component section is there resistor. Take the resistor and you want to rotate or turn resistors. There is a rotate option here. Just select the component and click on to the rotate. Okay, now I have rotated resistors. Second one, same position. Then third resistor for third LED, rotate. Then fourth resistor, the same position. Okay, now I have taken 4 resistors, 4 LED on my interface. Okay, once I add, I need one battery now. The battery is 3 watts coin cell. See, coin cell battery is there here. Just you select and keep on the interface. That also you rotate for the correction purpose. Okay. Now you can see we have added 3 different components, that is resistors. These are the resistors and these are LED light emission diode. Then this is coin battery, that is 3 volt. And we need one more component, that is multimeter. See, multimeter, just you come back to the component section, search multimeter here. Yeah, there is a multimeter. So you can see here there is a multimeter. Just select the multimeter and keep it on top. Okay, now to draw parallel circuits, whatever the components we need, we have already taken. Now we are going to connect. Select the wire type normal. Then first we are going to connect multimeter, that is positive, to resistor 1. See, just point, then just you drag and click onto the terminal. Now it has been connected. And from negative to 3 volt coin shell battery. Okay. Then other end you connect to all resistors. See, the other end, here there is a resistor. Select the wire. We are going to connect all the 3 resistors into all the 3 resistors into coin shell battery. Okay. Then second also, just point, then click on that. Then again the third resistor, same, take point, then connect to the 3 watt battery. Okay, now all the resistors we have connected to the battery. Now the top one is not connected to anywhere. So here for the first resistors, terminal 2 to, we are going to connect cathode of a LED. Then from anode to we are going to connect the another end of battery, that is positive. From anode to positive, the similar way the second LED is also we are going to connect anode to positive. Okay, similar way the third LED is also we are going to connect anode to positive. Okay, 3 LED connections done. Then select the wire, anode to positive battery. All the LED anode should connected to positive of cell battery. Then another LED also we are going to connect. Okay, now we have connected all the anode to positive of coin battery. Okay, now then Just a minute. Select. We need some little bit patience to draw a circuit. Once the circuit drawn, okay, just a minute. Okay, then resistors to terminal 2 to cathode, just connect. Then again one more resistor, terminal to cathode. Then the third resistor, terminal 2 to cathode. Okay, now our parallel circuit is ready to simulate. Okay, now once we draw circuit, then we are going to check whether we have drawn the correct circuit or whether it is going to work or not. If you want to check whether it is working or not, just click on to the start simulation button. Just click on start simulation. See, as soon we click on to the start simulation, here you can observe all the LEDs are going to be glow. See, these are the LEDs are going to start to glow. See, once I click on to the stop simulation, it is automatically is going to be off. Now all the LEDs are off. Now once I click on to the start simulation, you can also observe the multimeter is going to be show the value or whatever the voltage is going to be produced from the LEDs now. So this is parallel circuit by using Tinkercad software have done. So in this way we are going to create a circuits by using the Tinkercad software. I hope you have understood how to draw parallel and series circuits by using the Tinkercad software. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends and like my videos. Thank you.